The following tutorial shows the method of master reset ALLVIEW A20 Max. At first, hold down the power key for a few seconds to turn off the mobile. In the second step, start pressing volume up plus power button for a couple of seconds. Release all buttons if the ALLVIEW logo appears. Now use the volume buttons to select Wipe Data, Factory Reset, and confirm with the power key. In this mode, choose Yes and confirm with the power button. Finally, select Reboot System Now by using the power key. All your data will be removed during the process.